6, which is a better measure that the government puts out, which includes people who are working part-time who would rather work full-time, you're looking at a number of about 15%. So, we're not that much farther behind Greece, but remember, Greece is dealing with these problems right now. They have much higher interest rates. Our interest rates are still at rock bottom. The last time we had a labor force participation rate this low in America was in December of 1981, when Paul Volcker was, slamming on the brakes. We had 20% interest rates. Now we got the pedal to the metal. We got 0% interest rates. We got QE, and we still don't have any jobs. Imagine what's going to happen when the Fed has to put on the brakes.
Well, that's what I'm wondering. I mean, do you foresee a situation in the U.S. in which it will get to that, in which we'll get to rioting and protesting in the street?
Most likely. I mean, I think it's going to get pretty ugly here when I think we have even more people unemployed, but we have escalating and maybe even skyrocketing prices for things like food and energy. And if the government makes the mistake of putting in price controls, which, I wouldn't put it past them, and then we have shortages of energy and basic food products, people aren't going to take too kindly to that. I mean, they don't like austerity in Greece. Americans aren't going to like it here either, especially since I think we're going to get a bigger dose of it.